Will has 24 hours to build a miniature slingshot with a $2,000 motorcycle and the parts we have laying around the garage. But first, he has to survive the trip home because we just dropped him off
in the middle of absolute nowhere.
And I think some heavy weather is coming.
And I know what you guys are thinking. Wow, this is too jank. You can't possibly be doing this. We're doing it in 24 hours.
Will Lance, good
Nice to meet you.
I just bailed out of jail.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Is this a bike?
Yeah.
Nice.
I just got a reckless driving ticket on it.
Dude, I have a couple of those too. But does it run and drive? Like,
Absolutely.
you just got a reckless driving ticket?
He clocked me doing 140. I was going way faster than that. I was like, 140?
Come on, bro. Don't sell me short. Yeah. Premium. Unfortunately. Yeah. That's part of my job. I buy weird projects, drive them back, and then build them into something different. So we just built a CBR 900 shopping cart. Dude, I'm digging this, the little U-Bolt thing.
That's my own special.
Nice, nice. Okay. Cool, yeah. I mean, as long as you got a reckless driving ticket on it, that's how I know it's gonna make it home.
I was like, come on, man. Don't tow it. Don't tow it, man. I'm about to sell it.
Yeah.
I was like, please don't tow it.
Wait, you just got a reckless driving ticket on this, like today?
I just bailed. I just got home.
And brought it here?
Yeah, right now.
No way, you did not, dude. That is awesome.
1,000%.
Let's go.
Next time I gotta come down to jail and bail your ass out, I'm gonna whoop your ass.
He did too.
Oh. So we're actually gonna be using that bike to build something else with a 24-hour challenge. So in 24 hours,
Right on.
it's gonna be something totally different.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking kind of like a recumbent style go-kart. I know. Did he ask you why you didn't run?
No, he didn't ask me why I didn't run because he thought I was running.
Oh,
Perfect, dude.
awesome,
We're all
man.
set.
Thus began Will's 350-plus mile drive home on what was the cheapest crotch rocket in the state of Idaho. Due to some poor planning, he got caught in the dark, realized just how bad the headlights on this bike were, but that was nothing compared to the snowstorm that followed shortly after, forcing Will to spend the night in a hotel and carry on in the morning.
Dude, I've been driving for 5 hours. I drove through the snow last night.
What?
Yeah.
Made it.
Yeah, I finally made it, dude. Like 350 miles later and like 2 storms, 2 snowstorms. Just some crazy experiences. Got slicked off the road once. Totally just drenched in rain. It was an experience and a half. It's definitely a sight to behold. It's a beautiful bike, as you can see. Best craftsmanship. Definitely not leaking for the fork seals.
"24 hours? You got that?"
24 hours, let's go. I have until 3:03 tomorrow to finish this project.
Starting now.
Let's go. The handlebars, they're not meant for this bike, so they don't clamp very well. Look what these people did. to make this clamp just enough to like almost work. What is this? Is this
Yep, that's what I thought it was.
a beer can? They use like 5 beer cans width to strap it down, dude. Imagine doing that to a motorcycle. I'm just gonna cut here, here, and then we can start mocking it up and seeing where you're actually gonna sit. Because we still don't know. We don't know if this is gonna look really weird or really cool, so.
But we do know it's gonna be fast.
And it's gonna be awesome.
The frame of this bike is aluminum,
And I don't know how to weld aluminum.
and even if we could weld to it, it'd be weird.
It'd be really jank, and I don't want to put someone's life in the hands of my first aluminum weld. It just freaks me out. What we're gonna do instead is use a design that's already meant to hold weight on this bike, which is the triple clamps. We're basically just gonna take a solid piece of steel tube, shimmy it down in here, stop this from turning, and then weld this tube directly to the frame. So, dude, the whole front end of this thing will be able to come off and be serviced.
True.
That's a design decision.
Yes, sir.
Future Willie here. After that 24-hour challenge, I am absolutely starving. Luckily, ButcherBox has my back because they deliver fresh meat straight to our door. I don't even know what to say. There's so much meat in this box, man. Their beef is 100% grass-fed, humanely raised, and has no antibiotics or hormones. Sirloin tips, chicken tenders. ButcherBox is transforming the meat industry by focusing on farmers and animal welfare. You'll get $50 off your first 2 boxes plus 2 pounds of ground beef in every box for a year. Use code GRIND100 to get this deal now. It's 6:24 and I have about 21 hours left. And honestly, dude, for 21 hours,
Yeah.
we have made progress. We've got the 4-wheeler front end attached with 4 premium tack welds, but we're gonna be doing a lot more reinforcement because I am not confident in this design right now at all. This is like the most dangerous thing I've ever seen.
This looks like the most
Like,
dangerous
this
thing.
looks jank, and I know what you guys are thinking. Wow, this is too jank. You can't possibly be doing this. We're doing it in 24 hours. It's almost 8 o'clock right now, which is kind of nerve-wracking, but I am at a good point. I've got this whole kind of frame going on here. I've got some supports back here that go to this center bar. I've got another center bar up there. I feel like time's going really fast.
Black and blue, and in love with you. Broken and bruised from all the abuse. Probably should call the whole thing off, but darling, I can't get enough.
I'm just kind of sleep deprived from the ride over here. It is 10 o'clock. I don't even know how many hours I have left of this challenge. I've still got some welding to do. I angled these handlebars down. This is what it's gonna look like. Seat's not bolted down, don't judge me. Boy. Ugh. It's a little hard to get into, but once you're in it like this, you know, you got the steering wheel. I think it's sick. It is 2:16. I am gonna call it a night tonight. Get maybe 3 hours of sleep. It's gonna cut into my working time, but I'm making a couple silly mistakes. I got it to run. I got it to shift. As you can tell, I am mixing up my words and I'm tired. I'm gonna rest for a second and come back to this in like 3 hours. Oh, guys, I messed up. So my alarm, I didn't set the volume on my alarm, and so it is now 9:44. I went for like a 3-hour nap. Ended up getting a premiumly responsible 6 hours of sleep. So I think that means I only have 5 hours 20 minutes left of this challenge. I'm gonna get to it. Hopefully I can do this in 5 hours. I'm rushing, so wish me luck. So it idles a little high, but that's just because I have my throttle situation set a little wrong. So I'll adjust that before I go for a ride. I have about 2 hours left of the 24-hour challenge. I got the front brakes bled. Okay. My only concern is that it's gonna fold in on me and hit me and just totally destroy my back. All right. Whoa! This is amazing! Oh gosh! This is so awesome! I can't believe that works. I genuinely cannot believe that that works. I completed the 24-hour challenge, and this is as far as we got. We've got front brakes, throttle on the wrong side, but other than that, it's super premium, and I think it's maybe time for a rip.
I'm excited to see how it goes. Because I left at what, hour 5 or 6?
Yeah, hour 5, I think, and then I just crafted past that.
I was gone the whole time. So I just had a thought. You know how like the Camaro, for example, is really pleasing to look at to watch it move, but it sounds terrible? Mm-hmm. This is a close your eyes build. You don't watch it, you just close your eyes and listen.
It does sound, it runs to 16, you said?
16.
I just looked at the tach, it's 16
RPM.
and a quarter.
Like watching him drive it. It looks so terrifying. All right, I'm ready. So you're just holding onto the gas tank that's not attached?
Yep. It's weird being a passenger on a motorcycle, but being where you normally drive it. Oh god, it's way scarier watching someone else driving. Oh my gosh. I don't know what the devil I made. This is a 3 a.m. wheelie project. It's a little uncomfortable experience, I have to admit, but I'm kind of glad that my foot can't fully press the throttle or we would be going even faster. It's gonna look baller.
The mother of sneezes.
That was premium. You like revved up for that one.